Hi everybody, it's Lisa with Junk Journal Gems. I am just setting down for some crafting time. Thought I'd turn on the camera so we can continue working on this typewriter / stenography vintage journal. So what I'm working on now is I'm continuing to kind of go through the pages first and doing some embellishing before I put the signatures into a journal cover or make the journal cover. I was debating this morning, did I want to put the signatures in first and then add the pockets and ephemera, or what order? And I'm thinking this time I'm going to just decorate some of the more blank papers first, then I'll sew in signatures, and then I will probably add in things like pockets and these kind of embellishments so I can kind of monitor myself and not over fluff the journal, which is a real hardship for me. So what I'm doing first is I tore out a little piece for some decoration of a typewriting book page. And I'm going to dress it up with a little doily behind it. And then we're going to add a little zing to that. So let me get my glues out. Sorry I wasn't prepared with that. The glue stick that I tend to prefer is an Uhu stick. I like the blue because you can see where you're laying down the glue and it dries clear. I know some people like another brand. I'm trying to remember what it is. It might be an Elmer's brand that's for crafting. I don't recall for certain. I know I've used it before, and it seemed to work fine. But I think it only comes in the clear. Ugh. It's the only crafting hazard that bothers me with journal making is I don't like glue on my fingers. But I have so much fun making things that I'm able to overcome that. Oh my goodness, huge glue mess on my glitter glue. Just gonna add a little glue to all the doily marks so it lays down nice. Okay, there's that. Make sure it doesn't stick to this. Okay, there's that part. And then we'll stick this down, our little snippet. And we'll jazz it up with something else. This today is Sunday. I almost said Saturday. I've been so busy. Sunday, and so my husband has been working on the house and getting a bunch of things done. I was doing that yesterday. But I said today, for sanity's sake, I just need to get some crafting done and work on this journal. It's been sitting on my desk this week. Whenever I walk by it, I'm like, oh, I want to sit down and do that. But it's been too busy. Okay, so what I plan to do now is use these letters. This is from a recollection set that just clicks together. You can get them at Michael's. And I've got the word type, and I thought I'd just put that there. What I might want to do is to put something underneath that a little bit. Hold your breath. I'm not the best stamper in the world. Good. I like when it has the little edges. Okay, there's that. Just gives it a little extra zing on that page. Leave that one. This is a page actually that came out of a book. You know how at the beginning sometimes they have blank papers. But I think, yeah, we'll have this one. Which, no, that's not what I was thinking. Where are you? I think the rest of this one might be okay. What I was thinking of doing then is in another signature. Here we go. On a blank page of doing something like this to dress it up, and then, or maybe at the top. Yeah, we'll do it at the top. And then I've got these postcard stamps. I think I like this one. I'm hoping you can see that okay. These are Stampers Anonymous. Yeah, they're from the Tim Holtz collection. Sorry for the crinkling. I don't think I've even used this stamp yet. Get that ready in my block. Okay, I'm being a little picky here on how it is on my block. Oh my goodness. So it's been rainy here in Wisconsin the past several days, but we can't complain about it because we have needed the rain. It's been really dry, and we've had orders, you know, whatever they call it, to not burn. But I tell you what, one of our neighbors still was burning last weekend, and it was so dry. I couldn't believe they were doing that, because there's warnings all over the place. I was a little nervous because their burning was getting close to their neighbor's boat. So I was watching out the window. I even sent my husband out there at one point because I couldn't tell if it was starting to get a little out of control for them or what, because they were running around like something was up. And I think it just looked from our angle like it was getting out of control, because we kind of sit up high from them, and I think it was just the angle made it look that way. Okay, well, my goodness. Okay, the glue's getting a little gloppy. So here's what I wanted to do with that. The ink I'm using is just a Hampton Art that I picked up at a craft store, acid-free pigment ink. It's a permanent ink, so whoa, wouldn't that have been something if I'd have put it on upside down? I'd have been so disappointed. But yet it would be so like me. Okay. Let's see how this goes. Still hoping you can see okay. Hold it down for about 10 seconds and lift. Perfect. Love that. That is awesome. Love that stamp. So see, such a simple way to decorate a page. I'm going to have to, there we go. Okay, so that's that one. Let's see if there's any other papers in here that are just a little too boring for me, but I think that will be it. So that just gives you yet another way that you can decorate pages, again, without adding bulk. And then I'm thinking what we will be able to do next here is I have some of these pieces that I wanted to use in this journal that could stand a little more fluffing up. These are all okay. Are you okay? That one's okay. Yeah, these are all okay, but these just needed a little something. And I'm thinking that what might be nice is some flowers. Sorry if you see my head. Okay, let's see what we got for flowers here. We've got some of these black and white ones. That might be kind of fun. The way that I'll put these on a page is, you can do it a couple of ways. I could attach this. Let me show you on a better paper. Here. So I could attach this so you have a little pocket here. And then on this side, this glues down for another pocket. And you could have this be a pocket here, or you could have a little tag in here, or you could just have it down on the page for journaling. So all kinds of options. The other one just does the reverse because it's folded the opposite way. And all these are, I can't open that one. All these are the 6x6 squares. You know how you get the, yeah, it's 6x6. Yes, it's 6x6 squares. These happen to be out of Tim Holtz paper pad. And I just cut it. First I folded it in half. And then I cut it in the middle up to the fold. And what was nice is on the Tim Holtz paper, there seemed to be a natural line midway for a lot of this. So then I just folded one way and one the other way, or you could do both the same way if you wanted. And they make nice, quick little decorative pieces to add to a page that are so simple. So, see? So simple, but yet it just dresses it up enough to give it a little happiness. So let's do some flowers here. That's pretty. I love Tim Holtz paper. Okay, I have these black and white ones that I was curious to see. Don't show up too well there. But I wondered, that's too long. I wondered how they would, I'd fussy cut it a little bit more, but that might be kind of fun. So there's these, or, oh my goodness, I've got sticker spillage. This is why I tend to keep this standing up. But I wanted you all to see what is in my goodie bag. Okay, where are my other flowers? Okay, here, I don't know if I want green. There's some other black and white ones. There's gold ones, not feeling gold. Here they are. Let's take a few of these out to see how these might work. These are a little darker, so they might work better. You know what? I can kind of tell already that this is going to be a little better. And I just got these. I think I got these off Amazon. Yeah, this is totally what I wanted. Oh, yeah. Okay, so let's get to doing this. And a lot of times I'll trim some of the outside white parts off, but I don't think we need to do that on this. I kind of like the white. Come on. So I use these in my personal journal when I'm journaling as well. But they just have so many fun uses. See? How simple, yet so effective. Is there a little... That looks kind of sweet there, doesn't it? And then I'm kind of feeling like I want to stamp. Hold on. Get out some more things. Let's see what we can use for a stamp. This is my vintage stamp, and I have more. I've hoarded. Hope you can see okay. Ooh. Ooh, perfect. He just jumped right out of there at me. He said, pick me, pick me. I think I want the flower over him. I couldn't pick him up. Okay. And get my pin in there. Placement, I think, can be like that. It's very fun. And then, this is the tricky part, isn't it? Getting them off the plastic things. Oh yeah, I like it. Okay, I think that's all this needs. Or do I want a little stamp on this side? Let's see if I do. Or something like new. What was I thinking? I also have these. These are just, I had one out. These are just these kinds of stamps. That's all that is. And I just stamp them up on a page and I rip them off as I need them or want them. What else do I want? I just feel that needs a little something. Maybe a Tracy Fox label. Yeah. It's exactly what it needs. Just needed a little zoop. Awesome. Okay. Do we want anything up here? I don't know if I do or not. Whoops. Okay, I'm taking way too long trying to decide that. Move along. Right? Some days you just need to stop yourself. That's a little large. Oh, isn't that cute? That just found a home. I love these. And I think the black and white gives a nod to the whole typewriter and stenography theme. Oh, I wish I wouldn't have stuck that pocket down already. Lisa, why did you do that? Okay, maybe what I need to do is tear this end off. Exactly what I needed to do. Okay, come on. There we go. Nice. Looks like it's coming out of the pocket. Cute. Okay. I don't think the bottom needs anything. I like the red on there. Let's get a big tall one here. Maybe that if we cut. Where are the rest of them? Whoops. I got more than I bargained for. Ooh. I think maybe that. What else is there? Or this one. Oh, I like that better. Okay. It's a winner. So yeah, it doesn't take a whole lot, does it? Just to give it a little extra punch. And then what I might do off camera for some of this is to sew it on a page. And that's a good point to chat about for a second. Sometimes I do better if I don't sew the signature in right away, because if I have any last minute ideas to sew on a page, I still can do that then. There we go. I really like that. So cute. Just the right amount of punch. So that's it for today. We'll join up again soon to continue embellishing this journal and making it pretty. Thanks for joining me. I hope you're having a great day.